Good morning, everyone. In the last session, I think we have discussed your first framework, that is EEIOU. Have you done with your framework, first canvas, each of you? Have you completed? Have you uploaded in the drive? Yes, everyone. Uh, One link I have shared with you 2 days back so that you can upload your canvas or sheets over there only. So make sure that you will create your folder first by giving the project title, that name of that folder, and then upload your work, your canvases in that folder only. Everybody have uploaded the first sheet? Yes, Niyati, Mihir, Dipen. Okay, let me check your first sheet firstly. Parthiv. I have said to you that you have to create a folder over there in that link by giving the name of your project, not your name and enrollment number. Parthiv, do go there and modify that folder. Parthiv, Harshit, and Dharya, modify the names of your folder. Tour guide application. Where is your canvas? Project is tour guide application. Okay, let me open the sheet as well so that I will get to know the names of your project members. अभी तक अपलोड किया क्यों नहीं है आप लोगों ने?
Hello.
Yes. The first sheet, first group, first team is e-housing helping system. Amod, Abhishek, Avinash, and Harshit. Have you uploaded the first canvas? Where it is? Harshit, change the name of your folder. Next team, Nupur, Shilpi and Dirgha. Nupur, Shilpi, Dirgha. I didn't found your folder over there, Dirgha yet. Nupur, what do you mean by you will upload it today? What you had done till from the last 1 week? Yes, Shilpi? Next one is Yashpal, Kayur, Mihir and Mitul. Yashpal, Kayur, Mihir and Mitul. Ma'am, file is ready, completed, but it's in laptop at home and I am not at home right now, so we'll done it by afternoon. एक बात बताइए आप लोग मुझे कि जब तक मैं एक एक को पूछूंगी नहीं तब तक आप लोग अपने कैनवास अपलोड नहीं करेंगे. I think in the last session I had said to you that you will upload your canvas in the drive. अभी मुझे एक एक करके आप लोगों से पूछना पड़ेगा. अभी तक आप लोगों ने अपने फोल्डर्स तक क्रिएट नहीं किए. What are you doing? To whom you are waiting? Next one is Parthiv, Niyati, Sanjana and Suhasini. किसने शीट अपलोड किया है यहाँ पर? स्मार्ट पार्किंग सिस्टम. Dharya, change the name of your folder right now. Next, Kayur, Kishan, Kushal and Dipen. Tour guide application.
Done, ma'am.
Next, Jay, Harshit, Nishtha and Dharya. Pursuit of happiness. Where is your file? Yes. Jay, Harshit, Nishtha and Dharya.
Uploading, ma'am. It's ready.
Next, team number 7, Anil, Miloni, Disha and Meet. Transportation upgradation. There are six. Last one is this. This one is the last project, na? Transportation. Anil, Miloni, Disha, and Meet.
Ma'am,
Where is your folder and where is your file?
ma'am, RMTS application.
Okay, so in the sheet you will update it.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम
Yes.
मैंने अपना फोल्डर तो डिलीट कर दिया है, मुझे तो नहीं दिखा रहा।
Is it visible my screen to you, Dharya?
हाँ पर मुझे मेरे फोन में नहीं दिखा रहा मैम।
Which one is your project?
परस्यूट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस।
Okay. Pursuit of happiness में कोई फाइल नहीं है, अपलोड करो। Then whose team is pending right now? RMTS application done. Pursuit of happiness file upload करो। Tour guide application is done. Smart parking system done. Broken code, it is also done, I think. Where is the sheet? Yes, Yashpal, Kayur, Mihir and Mitul. Where is your canvas? Okay, Yashpal will do it. Okay. By today afternoon, you will upload it, Yashpal. Then this one, Nupur Shilpi and Dirgha, access it application. This is the name of your project, Dirgha? Dirgha, Nupur and Shilpi.
Yes, ma'am.
Then where is your folder and where is your sheet?
And IT learning और net issue है.
क्या issue है? What is the issue?
Network.
Hmm? You are having network issue, but what about other two girls? Yes. Nupur, Shilpi and Dirgha, do it right now. Where is Nupur and Shilpi? Nupur and Shilpi, you girls are there in the class?
Ma'am, speaking.
Nupur and Shilpi. Nupur is there? Okay, Nupur is not there, means Nupur is absent, right? Shilpi and Dirgha, you will just create your folder and upload your file right now. And another in the next session, I will not ask everyone that upload your files, upload your canvas. This is your responsibility to complete your work on time. Okay, so the next canvas that we will discuss today is mind mapping. So I think mind mapping you have done in your previous semester as well. Have you created the mind maps of your project? Yes, guys. Have you created the mind maps of your projects in the previous semester? Yes. So basically, First of all, I will let you know that what is mind map or mind mapping canvas. Then you will prepare your mind mapping. Then you will prepare the mind mapping canvas for your project. So first of all, what is the idea of mind mapping canvas and what is mind mapping canvas we are using for, and what are the benefits of mind mapping? Basically, when we talk about the mind maps, it is kind of we can say that it is the representation of visual representation of your information. When we talk about the mind mapping, it is like the visual it is like the visual information, or we can say that visual representation of your ideas, right? When you when what we are talking about, if you are constantly thinking on some ideas, you are having a lot of ideas coming into your mind is full of ideas you are having, then you are constantly getting lost in those ideas. Then what we are doing, we are keep observing, that is observations. Then we storming our brains and put our thinking, put our brainstorming observations on the canvas, on a piece of paper, that by using some mind mapping tools, right? So when we talk about mind map, basically it is a great way to brainstorm, make a plan, turn ideas into steps that need to make it real, right? So basically your mind mapping is a visual representation of your ideas, your concepts and other information. When we talk about the mind mapping, it is it is a technique we are using in design engineering, that you are using to you are using for visual representation of your ideas, your concepts, your information, that you will represent that information on a piece of paper. Right? So it will help you for your project planning, collecting and organizing your data, and how to present that data on the sheet. It will help you over there only. And when we talk about a mind map की जब बात करते हैं, we are having this canvas, no, that is mind map. So mind map का क्या मतलब है? We are having a lot of ideas in our mind. We want to map those ideas on a paper, right? So it is a visual representation of our information that includes some central idea, and it is surrounded by some connected branches, right? I'll show you some mind maps here that you will recall the mind map canvas, and how to organize your ideas and concept it will show you, right? So how we are creating mind maps हम create कैसे करते हैं? First of all, we begin with the main concept or idea, and the rest of the map revolves around that idea only. So choosing the idea or topic is the first step that you had already done. Are you getting? The first thing, we begin with the main concept or idea, then rest of all will be revolve around that main concept. So the first thing, we have to choose a topic, and then step by step we will move further, so that you had already chosen the topic or the idea of your project, that is the main concept. Then how we will create a mind map? We create some branches of that map. मेन आइडिया के हम कुछ ब्रांचेस क्रिएट करते हैं, that represents that each of branch will having a single word, and that relates to that relate to your main topic, right? So we then create some sub branches that also relates or further expand to your main idea and concept. And there are some branches which also having some words that elaborate the topic of your branch. Fine. So I'll show you some mind maps here that you will able to get it how to represent mind mapping. Let me show you that. Yeah. First of all, I'll show you a simpler mind mapping, simple mind map canvas, so that the idea will become easier. how to create mind maps for your own project. Basically, it is a visual representation we are doing of our idea. हम अपने प्रोजेक्ट का जो भी आइडिया है उसका एक विजुअल रिप्रेजेंटेशन क्रिएट करते हैं that what we are going to do. We are planning for our project. We are organizing how we are organizing our project. All these things we are doing over in mind map. We are using the different colors for the sub branches or the branches that to differentiate between the ideas and information. Other than that, you can also use the same color. We are just making it visual. देखो कोई भी अगर आप एडवर्टीजमेंट्स की बात करो या फिर जो बहुत बड़ी बड़ी एडवर्टीजमेंट्स आपकी सिटी में के अराउंड लगी होती हैं, it is like visually you attract the people. Visual things will more attract the people na, than the text. That's why we are creating some visual effects that will our eyes will go there only and will get to know the idea, right? In the same way, we are mapping our mind on a piece of paper about our project. So first of all, for example, we have created that mind map. हम क्या करते हैं अपने प्रोजेक्ट आइडिया का जितना भी कॉन्सेप्ट है, मतलब मैं जो भी क्रिएट करना चाहती हूँ, मैं वो सारा का सारा क्या करती हूँ, शीट पर वो अपने प्लान को ऑर्गेनाइज करती हूँ. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन दिस माइंड मैप यू कैन सी दैट वी आर हैविंग अ मेन आइडिया दैट विल कम्स ऑन द सेंटर ऑफ योर mind map, that is family week ahead. This is the project that I think this is the idea in which they are planning for their family week, right? For family week they are having 7 branches of each of the branch is of 1 day in a week. You can simply see that. So how to make the mind map? I already told you. First we will start with the main idea that comes into the center part, the main concept. Then we create some branches of that idea that relates to that आइडिया. हम क्या करते हैं, फिर एक सब ब्रांचेस क्रिएट करते हैं जो इस आइडिया से रिलेट करता है. ठीक है. अब फैमिली वीक को प्लान कर रहे हैं तो फैमिली वीक में वी नो दैट इन अ वीक वी आर हैविंग 7 days. So I created the branches for each day: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Then on Monday, what are you planning? It is the planning for Monday. There are 2 sub branches, father and children. For Tuesday, there are 3 sub branches, daughter, son, and mother. For Wednesday, there are 2 sub branches. For Thursday, there are 3 sub branches, and so on. Right. So, how to make the mind map? We create the main idea, then we create some branches, then we create some sub branches. On Monday, for example, for father branch, sub branch, father will do a business meeting on Monday, right? And children will do swimming on Monday, right? So these are the some sub branches they have created. So the likewise the same way you will create the mind maps of your own projects. Got it? I will show you some more mind maps that will be informational as well. I'll show you. Yes. You can see that this is another mind map you are having. You can see that this is another mind map, that is science of global warming. We are having 4 sub branches. We are having 4 branches of this idea: greenhouse effect, industrial revolution, greenhouse gases, and CO2. Global warming is the main idea. And what are the branches that I am having? The 4 things: greenhouse gases, which is responsible for global warming; CO2, which is also responsible for global warming; greenhouse effect, and industrial revolution. So for these branches, they have created some sub branches for all these things. Like in industrial revolution, they are having 2 sub branches: before and after, right? So before, fine balance; after, balance disrupted, and all the sub branches they had showed. So also in greenhouse gases, you can see that greenhouse gases having 2 or 3 sub branches: CO2, methane, then man-made CFCs, lifetime, 45 to 1700 years. So they have shown the idea. अब देखो आपको क्या करना है, the same way you have to implement your idea in the mind map. You just map your mind. Map your mind means map the ideas of in your mind on a piece of paper regarding your project. What are you going to plan? How you will organize your plan? Which, for example, I am making some university website. So this is the main idea, that is university website I am creating, right? Then in university website, what would be the branches I am having? Like I can show the main page, login page. The another branch I am having some university like student login, employee login, and so on. So after that you will create the sub branches of that branch. Are you getting what is mind mapping? Basically, it is the representation of visual representation of your ideas or your information, so that it will become the easier to organize and to plan your project. जब भी हम अपने प्रोजेक्ट को ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, प्लान करते हैं, तो हम किस वे में ऑर्गेनाइज प्लान करते हैं? माइंड मैप की फॉर्म में उसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. इससे क्या होता है, आप अपने दिमाग में जो भी चीजें हैं उसे एक पेपर पे जब आप प्लानिंग और ऑर्गेनाइजिंग करते हो, दैट इट विल बिकम इजियर टू गेट योर आइडिया क्लियर. You can also see another mind map. So this mind mapping, you can see that this another idea. An idea is open classrooms, and for that they had having some another branches like mist make education accessible. Then for example, the idea here is opening new online classrooms or opening soon some classrooms, right? This is the main idea. So they are having a branch like free courses to teach practical skill. Like practical skill, the sub branches are HTML, CSS, Java, C++, Android, project management, and so on. These can be the sub branches. In the same way, you have to represent your idea, your project in the form of visual representation. Now think on your idea, what are you planning and how you will prepare your mind map. So this is another second canvas you need to make till next lab. Before next lab में हम आपके mind map canvases को discuss करेंगे. You will just go and make your mind map canvases, and for now I'm giving you some minutes. You will discuss with your teammates and let me know the branches or sub branches of your project. अपने आइडिया के अकॉर्डिंगली क्या क्या ब्रांचेस हो सकते हैं, सब ब्रांचेस हो सकते हैं, मुझे बताइए आप लोग. देन यू विल जस्ट मेक योर माइंड मैप्स till next lab. Then show me and we will discuss your mind map. Is it clear? Okay. Now I'm giving you some minutes. Just look over these ideas, and for your project, think on your project and let me know the mind mapping branches, sub branches your project is having. Fine? Think on it and let me know. Yes, have you done the discussion? So let me know the mind map for your projects, the branches or sub branches as per your project, one by one. Yes, Nupur? What would be the branches for your project? Nupur? Nupur, Dharya? This is the last time I'm asking for both of you, otherwise I will. Why, how, benefits? Your
What,
project.
ma'am?
What is your project?
Pursuit of happiness.
Yes. What would be the branches of your project?
Just a second.
Why, how, benefit, source? What is it? I'm not getting. But why and how will define?
Ma'am, it's problems, solution, users, resources, how it will help, and security.
Okay. And Nupur, what is it? Why and how? I think you're not getting what I'm asking. No, this is not a branch why we are doing this project. The branches I had already show you in this mind maps, or 2 or 3 examples I had shown, with the main idea, like you are having a main idea, pursuits of happiness. Then what would be the branches? Like in this open classroom, they are having focus on mentorship, investors, launching first degree program, then free courses to teach. Means the main things which relates to your main idea. Think on it. Yes, next. Disha. Yes, Disha. Disha, I'm asking from you. What happened, Disha? Why are you not responding? What are the branches for your project? Yes, just tell me these 2, 3 as well. Which 2, 3 you have discussed yet? Disha, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, which 2, 3 branches?
Uh, that we will upgrade the bus facilities for citizens is the one branch.
Okay.
Then second branch is will provide online storage to users.
Okay. The third one?
Third is the awareness among people for development.
Okay. Yes, Mitul, ma'am, can we sub branch connect to other branch? Yes, yes, you can. As shown in the this mind map which I am presenting right now, you can see sub branches are also related with one another, so they are also connected. Yes, Mitul. Mitul,
Ma'am,
yes.
Mitul is in our team and I will tell. Hello.
And what? Yes, Yashpal.
Hello, ma'am. Mitul is in our team, so I will tell sub branches.
What is the problem with Mitul? Why he will not tell? Only you are doing the project?
Ma'am, I just
What?
write in my page, discussing, and I just write thoroughly. Say
No,
that's all.
Mitul will tell now. What is the problem? You four are working now.
Okay, no problem.
Only you are
No
not
problem.
working. Yes, Mitul.
Okay, no.
Mitul, unmute yourself. Mitul, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me the branches of your project.
Privacy, communication, and data storage.
Privacy, communication. Okay.
Data
Then,
storage.
then
Data storage.
data storage. Okay. What is your project, Mitul?
Broken contact.
Can you elaborate the idea of your project here? What you are doing in your project?
It's data related.
It is
Data privacy related.
data privacy. इतना सोचना पड़ रहा है प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बताते हुए मितुल हाँ I'm asking from you, Mitul. What happened? See, Mitul, you are also working on the same project with other people, with Yashpal and two more. So it doesn't mean only Yashpal is doing the things, you are just enjoying with them. Go and discuss with your teammates today. What are you doing in your project? What are the responsibilities and roles of each of you? So this is all of you in the this group. You people will just discuss with your teammates the roles and responsibilities of each team member. Not only a single team member is doing all the activities. I can ask from everyone. Everyone should know about their project. Am I clear, Mitul?
Yes, ma'am.
So make sure that you guys will prepare your mind map canvas till next lab and then we will discuss your mind maps. Fine. So we are closing the session here with it. Now if you want to ask anything, you can ask. Okay, so we are closing this session here only.